Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Fiesta 2002 to 2008? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2002 to 2008 Ford Fiesta protects essential interior electrical systems such as the central locking, dashboard instruments, interior lighting, and audio system. It uses blade-type fuses for dependable circuit protection. Each fuse is clearly labeled for easy identification. This setup helps ensure the safe and efficient functioning of the vehicle's interior electronics. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2002 to 2008 Ford Fiesta protects critical systems like the engine management, ABS, and lighting circuits. It includes high current fuses and relays for efficient power distribution. The relay box in the 2002 to 2008 Ford Fiesta controls high-power components such as the fuel pump, cooling fan, and heated windscreen. It ensures reliable switching and operation of key electrical systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.